Al-Ghashiyah, the overwhelming event. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
هل أتاك حديث الغاشية
There has reached you the news of the overwhelming event, the resurrection.
وجوه يومئذ خاشعة
Some persons shall be downcast and humble that day.
عاملة ناصبة
Toil-worn and weary.
تصلى نارا حامية
They shall enter a blazing fire.
تسقى من عين آنية
They shall be made to drink from a spring of boiling hot water.
ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع
Dry, bitter, and thorny herbage shall be their only food,
لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع
which neither nourishes nor satisfies hunger.
وجوه يومئذ ناعمة
On that day, some other persons will be fresh and joyful,
لسعيها راضية
well satisfied with the fruit of their pious strivings.
في جنة عالية
They will live in a sublime garden,
لا تسمع فيها لاغية
wherein you will hear no vain talk.
فيها عين جارية
It shall have a running spring.
فيها سرر مرفوعة
It shall have thrones raised high,
وأكواب موضوعة
and goblets properly set,
ونمارق مصفوفة
and cushions beautifully ranged in rows,
وزرابي مبثوثة
and velvety carpets tastefully spread.
أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت
Do the people not then look at the clouds and the camels, how they are made,
وإلى السماء كيف رفعت
and at the heaven, how it is raised high,
وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت
and at the mountains, how they are set up,
وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت
and at the earth, how it is spread out.
فذكر إنما أنت مذكر
Keep on admonishing them, even if they insist on shutting their eyes. So your duty is one of an admonisher.
لست عليهم بمسيطر
You are not appointed a keeper, stern and hard to compel them.
إلا من تولى وكفر
But as to him who turns away and disbelieves,
فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر
Allah shall punish him with the greatest punishment.
إن إلينا إيابهم
Verily to us is their ultimate return.
ثم إن علينا حسابهم
Then it is surely for us to call them to account.